Cell Research in Medicine. Video 9, Cell Structure and Function. Hybridomas. These are cells that result from the fusion of two different cells. Antibodies producing white blood cells fuse with cancer cells, producing hybridomas, cells that make large quantities of antibodies quickly. The idea is that these antibodies will be able to fight cancer, leprosy, tetanus, and potentially other diseases. Lysosomes. So, working with lysosomes, they're looking at insects' metamorphosis involves lysosome leakages. And this is where enzymes leak out and break down unnecessary parts. The thought here is that arthritis is an inflammation in planes of joints possibly caused by enzymes leaking out of lysosomes. They use cortisone, which is a medication that reduces the swelling and is thought to strengthen lysosome membranes. It's also thought that this might be involved with aging and disease. Tissue cultures, so we're looking at really stem cell research. This is where body cells are grown in petri dishes. Right now, liver cells can be grown in tissue cultures. For example, a mother's healthy liver cells grown in a tissue culture can be transplanted to her 21-year-old daughter's failing liver, and that liver grew normally into a functioning liver after the transplant. Currently, burn victims get artificial skin grown in tissue culture, and cornea, which is the clear surface of your eye, can be transplanted, not aborted, from tissue cultures. This is very, very controversial, and right now there's no human research being done. But the thought is cells from fetuses are transplanted into patients with brain tissues from the fetus with Parkinson's disease. So these are patients with Parkinson's disease where they have uncontrolled tremors. The idea is to treat them with the brain tissue from a fetus. However, this research is very, very controversial, and we'll talk more about it in class.